Hello everyone, and welcome back to day 3 of In Christ Alone. You will need this video regardless of whether or not you're signing the original songs by Stuart Townend or if you're signing the new version by Passion featuring Kristian Stanfill. So we'll get into it right away. Just remember, I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're gonna mirror my signs. If you look below this video, you'll find links to print off either version of lyrics or purchase a song. And last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, so there in the ground his body lay. There, okay? There in the ground. Okay, we learned ground already. His technically, open hand, his body lay. Okay, so you're just gonna lay to your hands on your non-dominant hand. Light of the world, so light, we learned that in the first video. Light, world, 2 W's moving around one another. Okay, light of the world by darkness, hands over your face, darkness, and then slain, to kill. You have your non-dominant hand here and you kind of shoot, okay, your dominant index finger past it, okay, to kill, to slain. Then bursting forth, so here you have 2 fists together, bursting forth in glorious day, so with your middle finger touching your non-dominant hand, glorious, okay, glorious, and then day, non-dominant hand like this, and then day, okay. Up from the grave he rose again, so up, and then grave is like a mound of dirt, grave, he, and then rose again, so you have that person on their side, raised into life, okay. Let's try that from the top. So there in the ground his body lay, light of the world by darkness slain. Then bursting forth in glorious day, up from the grave he rose again. Try it one more time. There in the ground his body lay, body lay, light of the world by darkness slain, then bursting forth in glorious day, up from the grave he rose again. And as he stands in victory, so he, pointing to God in heaven, he stands, and then in victory, so victory, you're gonna grasp something like that's the sign for win, okay, so it's like you're grasping the trophy, and then you're celebrating, okay, same hand position as sin, celebrating, okay, victory, as he stands in victory, sin, okay, so that same hand position, sin's curse. So I'm going to do addiction for that. So it's almost imagine you're a fish who got hooked. Okay, addiction. Okay, curse has lost. Okay, you have something and then you lose it. Has lost its grip on me. And then for I am his. So I am. So this is kind of like that hope hand. I am. Okay, I am his, and he is mine, bought with the precious blood of Christ. So when you have a bill, it's like this, and when something is paid, it's like that, okay? Bought with the precious, okay, your fingers here, and then pull them into fists, the precious blood, okay, kind of just above your elbow, blood, and wiggle those fingers of your dominant hand, blood of Christ. And let's try that from the top a couple times. So there in the ground his body lay, light of the world by darkness slain, then bursting forth in glorious day, up from the grave he rose again. And as he stands in victory, sin's curse has lost its grip on me, for I am his and he is mine, bought with the precious blood of Christ. Okay, we'll try it again. There in the ground his body lay, light of the world, by darkness slain, then bursting forth in glorious day, up from the grave he rose again. And as he stands in victory, sin's curse has lost its grip on me, for I am his and he is mine, bought with the precious blood of Christ. Hey, one more time. See, even I make mistakes. Just stick with it. There in the ground his body lay, light of the world, by darkness slain, then bursting forth in glorious day, up from the grave he rose again. Okay? And as he stands in victory, sin's curse has lost its grip on me, for I am his and he is mine, bought with the precious blood of Christ. And that's verse 3, guys. So tomorrow we will learn verse 4, which is also used in both versions. I hope to see you there. Hope wherever you are healthy and well and having a great day. See you later. I am so blessed and encouraged to hear over and over again how God is using this channel in order to accomplish his mission here on earth. If you have a story, please leave it in the comments or send me an email. It's so encouraging to me when I hear what sign language worship means to you.